Hello, my name is Ansul Yadav and I'm going to present prototype model. Prototype model. The prototype model is suitable for project which either the customer requirement or the technical solution are not well understand. The risk must be identified before start. This model is especially popular for the development of the user interface part of the project. In this process model, the system is partially implemented before or during the analysis phase, thereby giving the customers an opportunity to see the product early in the life cycle. The process starts by interviewing the customer's requirement and developing the incomplete high-level paper model. This document is used to build the initial prototype, supporting only the basis functionality as desired by the customer. Once the customer figures out the problems, the prototype further refined to eliminate them. The process continues till the user approves the prototype and finds the working model to be satisfactory. Here is the life cycle of prototype model. First, a built-in prototype, quick design. We gather the customer needs and design a quick design. Then build prototype after the quick design. If the customer satisfied with the design or the build prototype, if the customer okay, then we go to design phase. Otherwise, we go back refine requirement and then after quick design. This is fully dependent on customer satisfaction. Once customers okay the build prototype, then we go to the development phase. Next is basic requirement identification. This step involves understanding the very basic product requirement, especially in terms of user interface. The more intricate details of the internal design and external aspect like performance and security can be ignored at this stage. Developing the initial prototype. The initial prototype is developed in the stage where the very basic requirements are showcased and user interface are provided. These features may not exactly work in the same manner internally in the actual software development, and the workarounds are used to give the same look and feel to the customer in the prototype development. Next is review of the prototype. The prototype developed is then presented to the customer and the other important stakeholders in the project. The feedback is collected in an organization manner and used for further enhancement in the product under development. Prototype model advantage. The customer get to see the partially product early in the life cycle. This ensures a greater level of customer satisfaction and comfort. New requirement can be easily accommodated as there is scope for refinement. Missing functionalities can be easily figured out. Next, error can be detected much easier, thereby saving a lot of effort and cost beside enhancing the quality of the software. Next, the developed prototype can be reused by the developer for more complicated project in the future. Flexibility in design. Disadvantages. Costly, time as well, money. There may be too much variation in requirement each time the prototype is evaluated by the customer. Poor documentation due to continuously changing customer requirement. It is very difficult for a developer to accommodate all the changes demanded by the customer. There is uncertainty in demanding the number of iterations that would be required before the prototype is finally accepted by the customer. After seeing an early prototype, the customer sometimes demands the actual product to be delivered soon, developed in a hurry up to build prototype may end up with suboptimal solution. The customer might lose interest in the product if he she is not satisfied with the initial prototype.